is one of the top specialized processing methods in Louisiana. This actually requires to reach an internal temperature of the product to achieve pathogen lethality. This is going to take that you will have to monitor and record the internal temperature of the product through the process. Two key factors in smoking a product and keeping it safe is, first, the heat distribution in your smoker unit, but also the heat penetration of the product. To identify the coldest spot in your unit, you will need to have the measurement of temperature in different points in your unit at the same time. You will need to make sure that you have probes that are designed to measure air temperature. The probes can come through the exhaust pipe. You can put them in each corner of the unit. Just make sure that they are not touching any walls, so you have a correct reading of the temperature. In this case, I am using a data logger that is helping me to monitor and record the temperature in all the unit. Something very important is that you identify which thermocouples are in which location of your unit. Once you know where your cold spot is in your unit, then you just need to make sure that you measure the internal temperature of the product located at that spot. In addition to this, you want to make sure that you are measuring the temperature of the largest piece of product in the batch. This way, you will ensure that all the product in the batch has reached the target internal temperature. The heat distribution evaluation will have to be done with your unit empty, but also completely full, so you have a better idea of how the air flows in the unit. Remember, the two key elements to keep your smoke product safe is the heat distribution and the heat penetration in the product.